Let's find out what's happening in the COVID space.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diaries.
Today is Monday, 19th of April, 2021. The world has recorded a total number of 142,064,856 coronavirus cases. 120,813,453 people have recovered from the virus. Unfortunately, 3,034,404 have died. Condolences, commiserations, and to all families that have lost their loved ones. And let's continue to adhere to all safety protocols and, yeah, shall be well. Let's find out what's happening on the continent of Africa in the COVID space.
COVID-19 Africa.
COVID-19 Africa.
Daily updates.
Today, 19th of April 2021, Africa has recorded 4,468,600 coronavirus cases. 3,985,799 people have recovered. Sadly, 118,202 people have passed away. Yeah, commiserations going out to every bereaved family out there. Let's continue to adhere to all safety protocols generally. I've got this piece I want to share with respect to COVID-19. Okay, pulling that up real quick. All right, it says South Africa regulator recommends lifting pause on Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Now, South Africa's health regulator has recommended that the government lift the pause on administering drug maker Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine, given that certain conditions are met. Now, these conditions include, but are not limited to, strengthened screening and monitoring of the participants who are at high risk of a blood clotting disorder. Now, the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, SAFRA, said last Saturday. So, yeah, they're looking at actually lifting the ban or the halt of the administering of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. As a matter of fact, maybe that would be the option because the AstraZeneca didn't really, go a long way to help or reduce the rate at which people get infected. And if you look at other countries, they may be, leaning towards getting Johnson & Johnson vaccine because of the ban that India has placed on the exportation of AstraZeneca because the case is really getting very bad in India. And Serum Institutes, is actually not looking to export anything till they control the cases, the surge in number in India. For more updates on COVID-19 matters, log on to africaglobalradio.com. And we will definitely be updating you as the day goes by. Okay, let's proceed now to this week's big question.
The big question.
The big question. The big question.
So this week is a malaria-themed week, okay? Because on Sunday is World Malaria Day. However, we would not be here. So to commemorate that day, we are actually having this conversation surrounding the big question on, surrounding malaria, and it has to do with how COVID-19 has actually affected, a lots of lives, globally. So with malaria affecting countless number of people and deaths far higher than that of the current pandemic, how has Africa survived malaria without a vaccine? I mean, that particular disease has killed a lot of people, trust me, one of those longest diseases in the world. But then, how have we survived it all along? It's here with us, but some way, somehow, we have managed to, to find ourselves, here. Sometimes you get it, you get healed, and all of that. How has Africa survived malaria without a vaccine? In as much as I think we would definitely need one the vaccine to make you immune to malaria. Well, we don't have a vaccine now, but how have we been able to survive this particular killer disease, malaria?